Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can collect the puzzle tree in the new challengers of EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So if you already get the puzzle piece first and puzzle piece second, so the third is on. Before we start, I made this video is for a beginner that are new into this game and still confusing how you can challenge the event, completing the quest. Let's get started by tapping the play button, tap the live events, and tap this one, welcome to FC Mobile, and go to the new challengers here, and this is the first, this the second, and this one the third one. So you can get this puzzle by doing this normal match and this hard match, and you can get this piece tree unlock after progress bar is complete, and also you can get guarantee rewards, feature top transfer player or least possible rewards. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.